Hello, this is David with InvestorsHangout.com. We are going to be taking a look at 5 stocks today that might have potential going through the rest of this week. NUZE PALT VRPX BYFC SUMR. All right, we're going to go ahead and start off with NUZE right here. Coming off the 20-day simple moving average, currently traded at $4.65. We can see the volume, huge volume bar coming in this one. 29.13 million shares being traded. The average volume for the last 20 days, 10.72 million. 30-day simple moving average under it at 305, 357 for the 20, and 421 for the 10-day simple moving average, breaking right through there. So we see this big candle on November 11th, followed up by another candle, bringing it back down to doji. Not too sure which way you wanted to go, back up and then back down to the 10-day and then to the 20-day. You can see it start slowing down, going sideways right here. Some consolidation going on, in my personal opinion, after this big run up. I mean, this big run up right there, you guys opened at 201, hitting the high at $7.60. Huge move for that, 163% for the day. Like I said, as of right now, what we're going to be watching for with this one is to continue climbing off of this 20-day simple moving average, a little bit of resistance around that $5 mark, and then maybe a little bit around the 550, 545 area. But after that, not too much. You could definitely make some larger moves going from here. And if we look back over here, back in March, see this big gap between the candles. You can see how this right here fluctuates pretty quickly from there too. So we're going to continue to watch for a bounce off of that 20-day simple moving average. PALT is going to be up next. Again, another one coming off the bottom averages here, 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average. Like I said, this one's currently traded at $4.02, coming off of the 10-day simple moving average, which is currently sitting at $3.83. 20-day simple moving average at $4.20. And $4.94 for the 30-day simple moving average. So for PALT, we're going to be watching for a break of that 30-day simple moving average, $4.94. By the time this comes down, I would say probably around the $4.75 mark. Once you break through that 30-day simple moving average, I think that this one can make some pretty moves up, pretty quick moves up. $5 is going to be a resistance area, followed by $6. You can see that back over here and right here. The next one up is going to be for VRPX. VRPX, going to have to zoom in a little bit here to get take a look at this chart, but big moves here back in August 17th. You guys 265% move, so this one definitely has a history of making some quick moves too, coming off to 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving averages as of right now. Definitely setting up here with the chart for VRPX. Move this over slightly here, and I can see, all right, so the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average, pretty simple, between 420 and 423. And then for the volume, 1.438 million shares being traded. Average volume for the last 20 days, 514,000 shares. Again, another one we're going to be keeping an eye on coming off these moving averages. Really nice candle up here, 12%. Opening at 411, hitting the high of 495, the low of 403, closing at 468. That's where we're currently at right now. Like I said, watch this one moving forward. BYFC, another one coming off the bottom at 264 right now. And we're going to take a look at the volume. 65,000 shares being traded. Average volume for the last 20 days has been 43,000 shares. 30-day simple moving average currently sitting at 280, 271 for the 20, and 260 for the 10-day simple moving average. Right here, we're going to have a little bit of resistance levels once you, a little bit of a resistance once you get up there around that 280. But once we break through that 30-day simple moving average, this one could break out from here. And as we can see, breaking through, let's go with July, another one. Broke through the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average and big moves up. Came back down to the 30-day simple moving average, another move back up. But once you got through it here on August 20th, a big run up here following the upper Bollinger Band above the 10-day simple moving average and then falling back down. Basically riding the 10-day and the 10-day simple moving average in the lower Bollinger Band. We can see that right here, basically a channel obviously coming down. But as of right now with this candle, we're going to continue to watch this one and breaking through the 20 and 30-day simple moving average for that confirmation for BYFC. Next one up is going to be SUMR. SUMR is another one that I came across the scanner here, coming off the 20-day simple moving average. Big move, big volume right after earnings here with 703,000 shares being traded on November 11th. And the average volume for the last 20 days before that was 39,000 shares, or 39 Yeah, 39,000 shares. So a huge move for that one. Coming into where we're at right now, 2,000 shares being traded at 11.36. You guys opened at 10.62, hitting the high of 11.46, the low at 10.54, closing at 11.36, bringing that up 8.46%. Compared to yesterday's close. But like I said, what we're going to be watching for this one is going to continue to come off this 20-day simple moving average. And once we get that confirmation of that break at the 10-day simple moving average at 11.89, we know that this one can continue to climb up from there. So this is SUMR. Like I said, we went through NUZE PALT VRPX BYFC. And this one right here, SUMR, 5 stocks to watch for the rest of this week. If you guys are new here, make sure you stop by and check out investorshangout.com. It's completely free, unlimited posts and messages from user to user, and unlimited data for each one of these stocks that we just went over. And as always, if you have stock tickers you'd like to see me cover, go ahead and leave it in the comments below.